Let's face it, financial security is a major key to living a happy and fulfilling life. But with the rising cost of living, saving can feel like an uphill battle. Fear not, friends. In this video, we'll explore the art of saving money. We'll uncover some practical tips and tricks to help you build your savings and achieve your financial goals. So, whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting out, there's something for everyone in this video. Understanding your spending. Before we jump into saving strategies, let's take a crucial step: understanding your spending. Many people underestimate the power of tracking their expenses. This step is like building the foundation of your savings house. The stronger the foundation, the more secure your financial future will be. Here's why understanding your spending is so important. Awareness is key. You can't manage what you don't measure. Tracking your expenses gives you a clear picture of where your money goes. You might be surprised to see how much you're spending on things you don't even realize. Identify leaks. Are you subscribed to services you never use? Do daily lattes add up to a significant amount each month? Tracking expenses helps you identify areas where you can cut back and free up more money for savings. Informed budgeting. A budget is only as effective as the information you put into it. Knowing your spending habits allows you to create a realistic and achievable budget that allocates your income effectively. So, how do you actually track your spending? There are several ways to approach this. Pen and paper. The classic method. Grab a notebook and create categories for your expenses. Track your income and expenses for a month, jotting down every penny spent. Budgeting apps. There are many user-friendly budgeting apps available. These can automatically categorize your spending and generate insightful reports. Spreadsheets. For tech-savvy individuals, spreadsheets offer a high level of customization for tracking your finances. Mastering the mighty budget. Now that you have a solid understanding of your spending habits, it's time to create your budget. This is your financial roadmap, guiding you towards your savings goals. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to budgeting, so explore different methods to find what works best for you. The 50-30-20 rule. This popular method allocates 50% of your income to needs, rent, groceries, utilities, 30% to wants, dining out, entertainment, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Zero-based budgeting. This method requires assigning every dollar of your income to a specific category, ensuring you don't overspend. Envelope budgeting. This method involves allocating cash to different spending categories, groceries, entertainment, in labeled envelopes. Once the cash runs out, you can't spend any more in that category until the next budgeting period. Tailor your budget to your lifestyle and financial goals. Here are some additional tips for budgeting success. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals will keep you motivated and focused. Review and adjust regularly. Your budget is a living document. As your income or expenses change, revisit and adjust your budget accordingly. Embrace technology. There are budgeting apps and software that can automate calculations and generate reports, making budgeting easier and more efficient. With a well-crafted budget in place, you'll be empowered to make informed financial decisions and allocate your money toward your savings goals. All right, let's get down to brass tacks with some actionable saving strategies that will transform you into a financial whiz. Here's your arsenal to boost your savings. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures you save consistently without even thinking about it. Embrace the power of cooking at home. Eating out can devour your savings. Unleash your inner chef and explore the joys of home cooking. You'll be surprised at how delicious and affordable it can be. Plus, it's a fun way to learn new skills and impress your friends. Unsubscribe from unnecessary subscriptions. We all fall victim to subscription creep. Review your monthly subscriptions and ruthlessly cut the ones you don't use regularly. Every little bit saved adds up. Challenge yourself with a no-spend weekend. Spice things up with a no-spend weekend. Embrace free activities like hiking, visiting museums, or having a game night with friends. You'll be surprised at how much you can enjoy yourself without spending a dime. Embrace the power of coupons and discounts. There's no shame in being a savvy shopper. Take advantage of loyalty programs, clip digital coupons, and be on the lookout for sales. Every penny saved contributes to your financial goals. Negotiate almost everything. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether it's your cable bill, phone plan, or even a gym membership, a polite conversation can sometimes lead to significant savings. Put your spare change to work. Every penny counts. Consider a digital roundup app that rounds up your spare change on every purchase and deposits it in your savings account. Watch those little amounts accumulate over time. Sell what you don't use. Declutter your life and your finances. Sell unused clothes, electronics, or furniture online or at a garage sale. Turn those unwanted items into cash that can boost your savings. Think outside the box. There are many creative ways to save money. Explore meal planning. Take advantage of your local library's resources for entertainment, or consider alternative transportation options like biking or carpooling. Learn to say no gracefully. Peer pressure can wreak havoc on your budget. Learn to politely decline invitations to spend beyond your means. Suggest alternative, free, or low-cost activities, and focus on surrounding yourself with supportive friends who understand your financial goals. Plan for bigger purchases. Avoid impulse purchases. For expensive items, set aside a specific amount of time to research and compare prices. Consider buying gently used items or waiting for sales to snag the best deals. Embrace free entertainment. There are tons of free or low-cost ways to have fun. Explore free museum days, attend local festivals, or have a picnic in the park. Creativity is key to enjoying yourself without breaking the bank. Challenge yourself with monthly savings goals. Set mini challenges to keep yourself motivated. Maybe aim to save a specific amount each month or avoid a particular spending category for a set period. Reaching these mini goals will give you a sense of accomplishment and fuel your long-term saving journey. Remember, small steps, big results. Don't get discouraged if you can't save a massive amount right away. The key is to start small and build consistent habits. Remember, even small amounts saved regularly can grow significantly over time. Saving money is a journey, not a destination. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can master the art of saving money and unlock the door to financial freedom. So, take control of your finances today. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite saving strategies. Until next time, happy saving!